So children, with this we have completed question number C also. Let us start today's topic. So children, today we are going to start question number D. Question number D is true and false. So children, in question number D, write T for true and F for false statement. Our first statement is input devices are used to give instructions. So children, as we have studied about input and output devices and the term input and output in this chapter, we know that input devices are used to give instructions. This statement is true. So you will write T for true in the space given in front of this statement. So here there is a dash. There you will write T for true. So let us write and understand. First one children, question number D, write T, W-R-I-T-E, write T for true, T-R-U-E, true, and F for F-O-R, for false, F-A-L-S-E, false statement, false statement, false statement. First statement is input. First statement is input devices, D-E-V-I-C-E-S, devices are used to, A-R-E, are used to give, G-I-V-E-S, sorry, G-I-V, give instructions, I-N-S-T-R-U-C-T-I-O-N-S, instructions. So here you will write T for true. As the statement is true, you will write T for true. As we have studied that giving instructions to the computer is called input, and the devices which are used to give the instructions are called input devices. So children, जिन devices को use करके हम computer को instructions देते हैं, we have studied about several devices. For example, keyboard, joystick, scanner, webcam, microphone. These devices are used to give instructions to the computer. That is why these devices are known as input devices. So here, the devices which are used to give instructions are called input devices. तो ये statement सही है. You will write T for true in front of the statement. Now, second one children. Second one is a keyboard is used to type words. We have studied this also. For typing words, letters or sentences, we use keyboard. So, keyboard use करके हम words type कर सकते हैं. This statement is true and you will write here a keyboard, K-E-Y-B-O-A-R-D, keyboard is used to type words, W-O-R-D-S, words. So you will write T for this statement also, as the statement is true. ये statement भी सही है, इसलिए आप इसके लिए T for true लिखेंगे. And then children, a mouse is also called VDU. Third one is a mouse, M-O-U-S-E, mouse is also called, C-A-L-L-E-D, called VDU. अब वीडियो का मतलब मैंने पहले क्वेश्चन में भी आपको बताया. वीडियो मीन्स V for visual, D for display, U for unit. Visual display unit. Visual display unit का मतलब होता है the part of computer through which we can see anything, जिसके थ्रू हमको कुछ दिखाई देता है या हम देख सकते हैं. तो ये यूनिट मॉनिटर होता है. जो भी हम कंप्यूटर पे करते हैं that we can see through the monitor. That is why monitor is also known as video or it is also known as आउटपुट डिवाइस. वो हमें जो भी हम काम कंप्यूटर पे करते हैं हमें मॉनिटर डिस्प्ले करता है या दिखाता है, इसलिए हम इसको वीडियो कहते हैं या फिर आउटपुट डिवाइस कहते हैं, क्योंकि फाइनल रिजल्ट हमें मॉनिटर के थ्रू देखने को मिलता है, इसलिए हम इसे आउटपुट डिवाइस भी कहते हैं. तो हियर द स्टेटमेंट इज अ माउस इज नोन एज वीडियो. So the statement is wrong as it is written here mouse. तो माउस को वीडियो हम नहीं कहते हैं, हम वीडियो मॉनिटर को कहते हैं. अगर यहाँ पे माउस की जगह मॉनिटर होता तो स्टेटमेंट सही होता, but here it is mouse, that is why the statement is wrong, and you will write F for false here. This statement is false and you will write F for false. Now उसके बाद children we have a microphone is an output device. जो microphone है वो एक output device है. Children, why do we use microphone? We use microphone to give command in the form of voice. हम voice के form में अगर हमको command देना है कंप्यूटर को तो we use microphone. हम बोल करके जब भी command कंप्यूटर को देते हैं या voice के form में देते हैं तो हम microphone को use करते हैं. So here we are using microphone for giving the instructions. We are using it for giving instructions, command or data. So if you are using something for giving instructions or command, it is not an input output device, it is an input device. इसलिए the statement is wrong and you will write F for false. So the fourth statement is, fourth one, a microphone, a microphone, microphone is a microphone is an output device, device, device. Microphone is an output device. अब यहाँ पे इसके सामने हम लिखेंगे F for false, क्योंकि माइक्रोफोन एक आउटपुट डिवाइस है. ये स्टेटमेंट रॉन्ग है. वी वेरी वेल नो दैट a microphone is an input device as we use to give instructions. We use microphone to give instructions in the form of voice. तो ये इनपुट डिवाइस हुआ और यहाँ पे आउटपुट लिखा है, इसलिए हम इसके सामने F लिखेंगे, F for false. Then fifth one children, let us revise these. No, first we'll write fifth one. Fifth one, a scanner is also known as a pointing device. Next statement is fifth one, scanner, a SCANNER, scanner. A scanner is also known, KNOWN, known as, a scanner is also known as a pointing, POINTING, pointing device, DEVICE, device. So children, a scanner, is a scanner a pointing device? No, scanner is not at all a pointing device. As we know, scanner copies, makes a copy, a duplicate copy of anything which we प्लेस इन द स्कैनर. किसी भी चीज़ को जब हम स्कैनर के बीच में रखते हैं तो वो एक फोटोकॉपियर मशीन की तरह उसकी फोटोकॉपी बनाता है या फिर फोटो लेकर के वो कंप्यूटर में सेंड करता है. तो यहाँ पे स्कैनर एक पॉइंटिंग डिवाइस नहीं है बल्कि एक ये इट इज़ अ टाइप ऑफ फोटोकॉपियर मशीन. ये फोटोकॉपी करने का काम करता है. इट इज़ जस्ट लाइक अ फोटोकॉपियर मशीन. तो यहाँ पे दिस स्टेटमेंट दैट इट इज़ अ पॉइंटिंग डिवाइस इज रॉन्ग. सो यू विल राइट F for false है. यहाँ पे आप इस स्टेटमेंट के आगे F for false लिखोगे. पॉइंटिंग डिवाइस हम माउस को कहते हैं. माउस इज यूज्ड एज अ पॉइंटिंग डिवाइस, सो वी कॉल इट एज पॉइंटिंग डिवाइस. सो माउस इज अ पॉइंटिंग डिवाइस, नॉट अ स्कैनर. सो दिस स्टेटमेंट इज ऑल्सो false. Now, so let us revise these. Write T for true and F for false statement. Input devices are used to give instructions. Input devices are used to give instructions. This statement is true, so you have written here T for true. A keyboard is also is used to type words. This is also true, so you have written T for true. A mouse is also called video. This statement is false as a monitor is known as video, not a mouse. Mouse को हम वीडियो नहीं कहते हैं बल्कि मॉनिटर को कहते हैं. तो ये स्टेटमेंट रॉन्ग है और इसलिए हमने F लिखा है, F for false लिखा है. Now fourth one is the microphone is an output device. Microphone is one of the input device it is an example of input device. So we have written F for false for this statement also. अगर यहाँ पे output की जगह input device होता तो ये statement सही होता. And now it is, as it is written output device, it is a false statement. You will write F for false. A scanner is also known as a pointing device. This statement is also false. That is why we have written F for false. चलो, we'll rub first one and write sixth statement. हमारा sixth statement है children. The output we get on paper is called hard copy. Children, we have studied about soft copy and hard copy also. So the output, O-U-T, out, P-U-T, put. The output we get, W-E-B, get on paper, the output we get on paper is called hard copy. Children, what do you mean by hard copy? Hard copy means something which cannot be corrected or which cannot, where we cannot erase anything and do the correction. अब हमने दो चीज़ों के बारे में पढ़ा है. There are two types of copies. One, the information which we get on the monitor. एक तो information होता है जो हमें monitor पे दिखता है, and that information can be edited. उस information को हम edit कर सकते हैं, उसको review कर सकते हैं, and we can do correction also. हम किसी भी तरह का edit या correction कर सकते हैं. लेकिन जब उसी information को we get it on the paper, we cannot do any kind of changes in these statements. अब in these types of information पेपर पे लेने के बाद हम उसमें कोई करेक्शन नहीं कर सकते, इसलिए हम उसको हार्ड कॉपी कहते हैं. और जो भी इंफॉर्मेशन हम पेपर में लेते हैं, वी गेट द इंफॉर्मेशन प्रिंटेड ऑन पेपर, उसे हम हार्ड कॉपी कहते हैं. और सॉफ्ट कॉपी जो भी इंफॉर्मेशन हमारे कंप्यूटर में है और जिसमें हम एडिट कर सकते हैं, रिव्यू कर सकते हैं उसको, उसे हम सॉफ्ट कॉपी कहते हैं. तो यहाँ पे द आउटपुट वी गेट ऑन पेपर इज hard copy because we cannot do any kind of change in this copy, and that is why it is known as hard copy. So you will write T for true as the statement is true. क्योंकि ये statement सही है, you will write T for true in front of this statement. So in the chapter we have studied about two types of information. One is a soft copy and the other is hard copy. Soft copy का मतलब होता है वो information which is in the computer or which is displayed on the monitor, and we can do any kind of changes in that type of information. And once we get the same information on the paper, that is called hard copy, as we cannot do any kind of change in that information. उसमें हम कोई change नहीं कर सकते, कुछ भी edit नहीं कर सकते, तो इसलिए हम उसको hard copy कहते हैं. So here children, this is all for question number D. I hope you must have understood. Now we will do question number E. Now in question number E, children, we have answered the following question. We have some questions here which are from the chapter. So first question is, children, name any one input and output devices. So children, in the chapter we have studied about different types of input and output devices. So the devices which are used to give instructions to the computer or which are used to give input in the computer is called input device, and the devices which are used to get output or are used to get final result is called output device. Here children, some examples of input devices are keyboard, mouse, joystick, microphone, web camera, scanner. These are input devices, as these are used to give instructions to the computer. And some output devices are the devices which are used to get final result or through which we can get the result is called monitor, printer or speaker. Monitor, whatever we do on the computer can be seen on monitor. It displays all those things which we do on the computer. That is why it is known as output device. Similarly children, when you get the same information which is displayed on the monitor or it is saved in a computer on paper, it is known as, and through the printer. So here the printer is another output device, and if you want to listen to a music or any kind of sound from the computer, through the speaker is called here speaker is the output device. So हमें speaker को use करके बहुत सारे चीज़ें हम सुन सकते हैं और इसीलिए हम we are getting something from the computer and speaker is also known as output devices. So let us write here children, but here in this question we are asked to write only one example of each. For example, you will write one example of input device and one example of output device. So let us write any one you can write. Here we will write keyboard and monitor. Keyboard is for input device and monitor is for output device. चलो फिर हम करते हैं next question. Our next question is question number E. That is answer the following question. Question number E. E में हमारे पास है answer the following. Answer the following question. Answer the following question. अब इसमें फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है नेम एनी वन. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, नेम NAME, नेम एनी वन इनपुट एंड आउटपुट डिवाइस. Input and output device. Name any one input and one output device. Output DEVICE device. So हम यहाँ पे एक एक इनपुट और आउटपुट डिवाइस का नाम लिखेंगे. इनपुट डिवाइस इज कोई भी नाम हम लिख सकते हैं, जितना भी हमने पढ़ा उनमें से एनी वन यू कैन राइट. सो हियर वी विल राइट कीबोर्ड फॉर इनपुट डिवाइस एंड monitor 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 for आउटपुट डिवाइस. तो हमने यहाँ पे एक एक एग्जाम्पल लिखा. वन फॉर इनपुट डिवाइस कीबोर्ड एंड फॉर आउटपुट डिवाइस वी हैव रिटन मॉनिटर. नाउ चलो, दिस इज आवर क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. देन सेकेंड क्वेश्चन इज व्हाट इज द यूज ऑफ अ कीबोर्ड. व्हाट इज अ यूज ऑफ अ कीबोर्ड. सो चिल्ड्रन, एज वी नो, कीबोर्ड इज यूज्ड टू टाइप लेटर्स, वर्ड्स, सेंटेंसेस और नंबर्स. तो हम इतना लंबा नहीं लिखेंगे, हम यहाँ पे लिखेंगे कीबोर्ड इज यूज्ड टू टाइप वर्ड्स एंड नंबर्स. वी विल राइट कीबोर्ड इज यूज्ड टू टाइप वर्ड्स और नंबर्स. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 इज व्हाट WHAT व्हाट इज द यूज ऑफ अ KEY key BOARD board. What is the use of a keyboard? Now answer is keyboard KEY key BOARD board. Keyboard is used to type words and 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 NUMBERS numbers. So what is the use of a keyboard? A keyboard is used to type words and numbers. कीबोर्ड को यूज करके हम वर्ड्स और नंबर्स को टाइप कर सकते हैं. नाउ children, this is question number 1 and 2. Here we have question number 1 and 2. Question number 1 we have, in question number 1 we have name any one input and output devices. Input device कीबोर्ड, आउटपुट डिवाइस, मॉनिटर। हमने जो भी इनपुट डिवाइसेस के बारे में पढ़ा उनमें से कोई भी एक ही हमें सिर्फ लिखना है। सो वी हैव रिटन वन नेम हियर, वन नेम ऑफ ईच input and output. Then second question is what is the use of a keyboard? कीबोर्ड का यूज क्या होता है? कीबोर्ड को यूज करके हम वर्ड्स लिख सकते हैं या नंबर्स लिख सकते हैं। वर्ड्स के फॉर्म में हम लेटर्स भी लिख सकते हैं, लेटर्स या फिर सेंटेंसेस भी लिख सकते हैं, और नंबर लिख करके हम कैलकुलेशंस भी कर सकते हैं, टेबल्स भी लिख सकते हैं, काउंटिंग्स भी लिख सकते हैं। सो हियर कीबोर्ड इज यूज्ड टू टाइप वर्ड्स and numbers. Using keyboard we can type words and numbers. So these are question number 1 and 2 children. Our third question is what is the use of printer? What is the use of a printer? So as we know, printer is used to get output on paper. Printer के through we can get output on paper. अगर हमें कोई भी आउटपुट यानी कोई भी रिजल्ट या कोई भी इंफॉर्मेशन हमें पेपर के ऊपर चाहिए तो हम वहाँ पे प्रिंटर को यूज करके वी गेट द इंफॉर्मेशन ऑन पेपर. सो लेट्स रब क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 and 2. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. Question number 3, we have what is the is the use of a printer? A printer. Printer. What is the use of a printer? Answer में children we will write printer is used to get output on paper. printer. Printer is used to get output put on paper. on paper. Printer is used to get output on paper. प्रिंटर को यूज करते हम जो भी इंफॉर्मेशन है उसको पेपर में अगर हमें चाहिए तो वी यूज प्रिंटर. सो चिल्ड्रन हियर what is the use of printer? Printer is used to get output on paper, or printer is used to get the information which is displayed on monitor on paper. So here using the printer we can get output on the paper. हम प्रिंटर के थ्रू कोई भी इंफॉर्मेशन या आउटपुट पेपर में ले सकते हैं. सो दिस इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 चिल्ड्रन. आफ्टर दैट वी हैव क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. In question number 4 children we have application based question. So whatever we have learned in the chapter we are going to apply our knowledge in solving the question given here. Here we have a question. At home you saw your brother playing a computer game with the help of a joystick. Identify and write whether it is an input or output device. So children, as we know, joystick is used to give instructions to the computer while playing game. It is one of the input device. So we have already studied about joystick. joystick को use करके हम कंप्यूटर में गेम खेलते समय इंस्ट्रक्शंस देते हैं या कमांड्स देते हैं to play the game. Here as it is used to give instructions, it is one of the input device. तो यहाँ पे we will write joystick is an input device. So children, question number F is application based question. Whatever we have learned in the chapter, we are going to apply our knowledge in solving this question. Question number F is at home your brother playing at home you saw your brother playing a computer game with the help of a joystick. Identify and write whether it is an input or output device. So we have already studied about this joystick and we very well know that joystick is used for giving instructions. Yani that means we are giving something, some instructions or command to the computer using the joystick. So it is one of the input device. In the answer you will write joystick is an input device. So children, with this we have come to the end of this video. Go through the questions or exercises which we have done in this video and we'll meet once again in our next video. Till then, thank you. one is children, dash is an input device which is used to capture a photograph. As we know children, dash is an input device which is used to capture a photograph. Here we have three options: microphone, then we have webcam, then we have speaker. So children, microphone is a device which is used to record the voice, or which is used to record the voice, and webcam is used to take a photo, और फोटोग्राफ लेने के लिए होता है. वेबकैम से हम फोटोग्राफ ले सकते हैं और रिकॉर्डिंग कर सकते हैं. एंड स्पीकर इज अ डिवाइस विच इज यूज टू हियर टू द म्यूजिक, या किसी भी वॉइस को या म्यूजिक को सुनने के लिए स्पीकर होता है. तो हियर चिल्ड्रन, हियर वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट फोटोग्राफ. डैश इज एन इनपुट डिवाइस which is used to capture a photograph is webcam. So the answer is webcam here. You will put a tick in front of webcam. तो चलो हम थर्ड वाला करते हैं. We will do third one. Here third one is children 3 में हमारे पास है dash is an input device 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 which is used to capture a photograph, GRAPH graph, photograph. अब इसमें पहला है A में है माइक्रोफोन, PHONE, माइक्रोफोन. दूसरा है वेबकैम, WEB, वेब CAM, कैम. तीसरा है स्पीकर. थर्ड ऑप्शन इज SPEAKER, स्पीकर. नाउ चिल्ड्रन, एज यू नो, माइक्रोफोन इज यूज्ड फॉर स्पीकिंग, बोलने के लिए होता है, या हमें अपनी वॉइस रिकॉर्ड करनी है तो उसके लिए होता है. और उसके अलावा बी में भी है वेबकैम. वेबकैम इज फॉर कैप्चरिंग फोटो, फॉर टेकिंग फोटो या वीडियो बनाने के लिए होता है. तो वी कैन पुट अ टिक इन फ्रंट ऑफ वेबकैम बिकॉज हियर इट इज आस्क्ड टू टेक फोटोग्राफ. वो वीडियो वेबकैम इज यूज्ड फॉर टेकिंग फोटोग्राफ. सो हियर यू विल राइट वेबकैम. Webcam is the answer. And as we know, speaker is used for listening any music or sound. अगर हमें स्पीकर की बात करें तो स्पीकर के थ्रू हम किसी भी म्यूजिक को सुन सकते हैं या किसी साउंड को सुन सकते हैं. या तो इस तरह से चिल्ड्रन, दिस इज माइक्रोफोन. माइक्रोफोन बोलने के लिए हम यूज करते हैं. वेबकैम से हम फोटोग्राफ लेते हैं और स्पीकर से हम किसी भी साउंड को सुन सकते हैं. सो हियर द आंसर इज webcam. You will put a tick in front of webcam. Then next is children fourth one. Fourth में we have a dash is used to get get the result, RESULT, result on a paper. So what is that is used for taking result on paper? First option is printer, PRINTER, printer. Second one is B is speaker, SPEAKERS, speakers. And third one is VDU. So children, here we have three options. First one is printer. As we know, we get result on paper. We can get the result printed on paper using the printer. Printer के help से हम जो भी कंप्यूटर पे कर रहे होते हैं या whatever results are displayed on the monitor can be printed or taken on a paper. So here the answer is printer. PRINTER, printer. And the second option is speaker. We cannot get result printed on paper using the speaker, as the speaker is used for listening to the music or any voice. And video, as you know, video is another name for monitor. Video is another name for monitor, that is V stands for visual, D for display unit. वीडियो का मतलब विजुअल डिस्प्ले यूनिट होता है एंड वीडियो इज अनदर नेम फॉर मॉनिटर. मॉनिटर को भी यूज करके हम रिजल्ट तो देख सकते हैं, लेकिन मॉनिटर से हम पेपर पे से प्रिंट नहीं कर सकते. अगर हमें पेपर पे प्रिंट करना है तो वी नीड अ प्रिंटर. दैट इज व्हाई वी विल पुट अ टिक इन फ्रंट ऑफ प्रिंटर. करेक्ट आंसर इज प्रिंटर. सो चिल्ड्रन, a third one, webcam is an input device which is used to capture a photograph. Webcam is a input device that is used to capture a photograph. So here among these three options, webcam is the correct answer. So we have written webcam there and written put a tick in front of webcam. Then fourth one, a printer is used to get the result on a paper. So we have written printer here and we have put a tick in front of printer. So children, I hope you must have understood. With this we have completed our question number 1, that is question number A. Now we will do question number B. In question number B, children, here some statements are given. We are going to read the statement and give a word for these. So here we are going to give a word for this. We can say we are going to give the name for the statement. In words के लिए हम एक name देंगे और the name will be in one word. So let us do this. Question number B. Question number B is we name the following. Here some statements are given. We are going to read the statements and give a name to these statements. So children, let us do this. So children, our question number B, name, N-A-M-E, name the following. The F-O-L-L-O-W-I-N-G, following. Name the following. First statement is the instrument, the instruction.